Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about top 20 questions on Indian polity and constitution. So let's get started. Preamble of constitution declares India as a socialist democratic republic, a sovereign socialist secular democratic republic, a sovereign democratic republic, or none of the above. The answer is a sovereign socialist secular democratic republic. Next, the preamble to the Indian Constitution was amended through 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act 1976, 44th Constitutional Amendment Act 1978, 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act 1992, none of the above. The answer is 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act 1976. Next, initially our constitution consisted of 395 articles and 8 schedules, 400 articles and 9 schedules, 395 articles and 12 schedules, 400 articles and 12 schedules. The answer is 395 articles and 8 schedules. Next, the final power of interpretation of the constitution belongs to the President, Supreme Court, Parliament, Council of Ministers headed by Prime Minister. The answer is Supreme Court. Next, Professor K.C. Ware said that our constitution is federal, quasi-federal, weak federation, or strong federation. The answer is quasi-federal. Next, our constitution is number first, federal in structure but unitary in spirit. Second, unitary in structure but federal in spirit. Third, federal in structure but federal in spirit. Fourth, none of the above. So the answer is federal in structure but unitary in spirit. Next, India, that is Bharat, shall be Union of Territories, Union of States, Union of Federal Units, or Union of Independent Units. So the answer is Union of States. Next, fifth schedule consists of number first, provisions as to Nagar municipalities. Second, provisions as to administrations and control of scheduled areas. Number third, allocation of seats in the Council of State. Number fourth, languages. So the answer is provisions as to administrations and control of scheduled areas. Next, number of languages included in the 8th schedule is 17, 19, 22, 16. So the answer is 22. Next, which of the following is true about our constitution? It is very rigid. It is a combination of rigidity and flexibility. It is very flexible, or none of these. So the answer is it is a combination of rigid and flexibility. Next, which one of the following languages is not included in the 8th schedule? Konkani, Sindhi, Nepali, or Bhojpuri? So the answer is Bhojpuri. Next, which constitution has inspired the Indian concept of rule of law? British, USA, Irish, or Canadian? So the answer is British. Next, which of the following is not a constitutional office? Comptroller and Auditor General, Attorney General, Solicitor General, or Advocate General? So the answer is Solicitor General. Next, who among the following was the first Speaker of the Lok Sabha? Number first, G.V. Mawalkar. Second, M.A. Ainagar. Third, Sardar Hukam Singh. Fourth, Bali Ram Bhagat. So the answer is G.V. Mawalkar. Next, the Constituent Assembly first met on December 9, 1946, December 10th, 1946, December 11th, 1946, or December 12th, 1946. So the answer is December 9th, 1946. The central legislature was made bicameral for the first time in India under the first Indian Councils Act 1861, second Indian Councils Act 1909, third Government of India Act 1919, fourth Government of India Act 1935. So the answer is Government of India Act 1919. Next, the principle of communal representation was introduced by Indian Council Act 1861, Indian Council Act 1909, Government of India Act 1919, or Government of India Act 1935. So the answer is Indian Council Act 1909. Next, the tenets of welfare state are contained in directive principles, fundamental duties, fundamental rights, or none of the above. So the answer is directive principles. Next, which of the following was added by 42nd Amendment Act 1976 to the preamble of the Constitution? First, secularism, second, socialism, third, integrity of nation, and fourth, all of the above. So the answer is all of the above. Next, land reform legislations are included in first schedule, third schedule, fifth schedule, or ninth schedule. So the answer is ninth schedule. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe.